begin.
Hello guys, this is our project name Floor Cleaning Robot. So in this project we are using Arduino Uno microcontroller, then Bluetooth module, 7805 power supply. This power supply will give 5 volt to other components which need 5 volt using this battery power as an input. So this is a battery of 11.1 volt. We have 3 batteries 3.7 volt connected in series. This is lithium ion battery. 3 batteries are in series, so they will create a potential of 11.1. Then we have L29 3D motor driver for this part. Then we have L298 motor driver for these 6 motors connected with these 6 wheels. And this is one motor for pump, and it is connected with relay which will be turned on when signal we get from phone. And this is the battery which will power this motor. And here we have floor mopping part. So this one is your motor with the mopping. You can run this using the phone. Okay, so all other components connected, and this one is a DC fan. We can connect DC fan using the microcontroller. We can control using microcontroller. Okay, so now let's see output of this project, how this project will work. Okay, from phone we have to send signals. I will send you this another video like how to configure this, so we will see the output directly. Wait. Okay, so if something is dirty here like this, so you will see this can remove this or not. Okay, so that's working fine.
Tell me like a Hellcat.
like a Hellcat.
cut.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.